Hi guys! Today's video we are gonna see
The one and only.
the one and only Morissette Amon! Yes! It's gonna be our first time seeing her live, and I know many of you guys, our followers, are so fan of her too. So if you haven't seen the previous vlog, we hung out with Miko Dakanai already, the makeup artist of
Super
Morissette.
fun.
And today, I think we're gonna meet her. I think Miko's gonna hook us up.
We'll see.
We'll see.
But we're gonna go definitely to hear her live singing, and we can't wait for that.
And there's actually an event in Toronto. It's called TFC something event. So for TFC subscribers event or something. So we're gonna go. It's free. It's outdoors. It's summer. It's outside. It's gonna be fun. Let's go.
Yeah. Hey guys, so we're out now. We're walking towards Nate Phillips Square, which is where. Oh, it's Nathan? Nathan. So that's where the concert is. And yesterday we were walking by and we saw the stage and it looked amazing with all the lighting and everything. So we're excited to see how it is in daylight, what style Morissette is gonna have, what dress, what makeup, what everything. And hopefully we'll see some of you there. Yani is shy, so he's just pretending not to know me today.
It's your turn to vlog because I always vlog and I always edit and you never vlog. Alright guys, so we're here.
Here we are, guys.
Alright guys, we arrived.
Yeah, we arrived here. Yani, as usual, is texting and he's embarrassed.
I'm
Now we're gonna show you the booths. It smells good. It smells like good food is being served here.
I think we have an hour until Morissette comes out, so...
Yeah, so we have all the time in the world to explore everything, and this is the one. Few people singing, a few different talents, and then there's gonna be more in about 1 hour, and we have all the time to explore the booths and everything. So we met two of the followers.
We saw some followers.
She is on fire. She's so good.
Oh my god.
Wow.
I'm next. I'm up next. I'm singing up next. I'm singing up next.
Wow.
I'm singing Beyonce. Oh.
Show the world and show
Miko is here.
how Filipinos work hard and can be anything that they want to be and can be part of Canadian society.
Hello.
And so we're very
Alright guys, so we saw Miko just now, and he was running around obviously because he has a lot to do, but hopefully we'll hang out later.
Yeah, Morissette's coming up, so if you guys are in the sun, you probably won't see her that well. So come on over. Come on, I gotta hear more noise for Morissette.
Finish Morissette!
Here's something very nostalgic for you guys. You guys want to sing with me? Shorty's always like a pyramid. Stay together till the very end. That will be another life for sure. Like a pyramid. Malakas na sigaw! Palapakan po natin ang TFC. Thank you so much. And of course, once again, congratulations to Mabuhay Philippines Festival for having us over dito para i-celebrate ang ating Filipino roots. And syempre, we're all proud to be Filipino, yes? Yes? Yes! Sabi ko, handa yung mga puso nyo. You guys ready? No, tita. This next song I'd like to share with everybody is also very, very special. And it's one of the songs that I always like to go to whenever I'm going through something or whenever I'm feeling down. Now, syempre, I'm sure bawat isa po sa atin meron tayong kanya-kanyang stories kung bakit tayo nandito. And minsan, it can get really frustrating. Nasa-stress tayo. Now, here is a song that I covered on, this is called The Wish Bus. And sobrang naging special lang din siya kasi I think in any moment of our lives, we can always listen to this song and just feel uplifted and feel encouraged and just to be strong again. So here's a song I'd like to share with everybody na sana ma-inspire pa kayo lalo at sana na if you're going through hard times right now, you just gotta step up and it will soon pass. Kaya para po sa inyong lahat ito. In spite of the rain. Shoutouts to Fabio and Yani. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, just shout out our names. Dad.
Dad, it's a nice song.
What are your names?
Daniela.
What's your YouTube channel?
Sponsored by PSC and
I haven't
Justin.
Oh, not yet. Okay.
Check it out.
Surprise later, surprise.
I have like a dance cover, but yeah. It's
Give me a
real.
few minutes to get the group
You dance
together.
too?
I dance and I sing. Yeah.
Hi guys!
What are your names?
Jenny and Martin.
Jenny and Martin.
Nanonood ako sa vlog mo.
Really? Thank you. Thank you,
So guys, this show was amazing. I died when she shut out our names.
She
I
yelled
was
our name.
so not expecting
cried.
that. Oh my god.
We cried.
And it was in our very favorite song, the very first song we
Right.
reacted to.
Aww.
So it was like unbelievable. Hearing her live is such a nice experience, guys.
We're meeting
If-
her now.
If you get a chance, you should really go see her.
She should be a world-class thing.
Hi guys!
What's your name?
Alexis.
Alex.
Alexis did such an amazing job
Look at
on
my
the
sister,
show
too.
today. We see her next year too. With the
Guys,
front
we're
camera,
meeting
right?
Morissette. Huy, Miko, nahiya ko.
Pero unahin lang muna yung
Oh, wait lang kami. Wait lang kami ha.
kasi para pag exit na nilang lahat.
Kami na lang. Sige. Thank you. Oh my God, ang bait ni Miko, guys. Sabi ni Miko, wait lang daw kami kasi lahat ng mga guests, all the guests, after they leave, we have more time with Morissette. How do you feel, Fabio?
Oh my god, I'm
She's nervous.
dying inside. I'm eating a gum because I don't want to talk to her and I have bad breath.
Me too. How do I look? Oh my gosh.
So Yani, tell us how you feel right now. His heart is racing so bad.
I don't feel any pressure right now.
So guys, we have bodyguards here to protect us from the avid fans.
Tell them we're waiting for more.
We're waiting for Morissette, but obviously because we were assaulted by people, then here we have some protection. Famous.
Yeah, guys, because we're famous, you know. Guys, that is the manager of Morissette Amon.
I talked to him. I like him.
And he knows us. When he saw us, he's like, oh my gosh, Yani and Fabio.
And I was like, yes, it's me.
Wow.
Oh,
It's so hard to be famous. Look, bodyguards.
Bodyguards, everyone protecting us.
Oh my gosh. I hope so. Can we vlog? Oh my god.
Hey! I'm meeting you guys! Hi, it's nice to meet
Hello,
you.
ganda mo.
Hello, uy?
Nagwapo kay Kadzat.
Ikaw ay It's nice to meet you.
Gwapo kay Shadzat.
Dili ko ay pinagbiya na. Ang Miko, gawang Miko yan.
Do it today.
Madam! It's nice to
Tuklo
meet you.
naman si Morissette. Hi guys.
Tawa na gina siya.
Namurog yan.
Ayaw, uy, awin na. Gwapo lagi ka. Gwapo ka. Gwapo lagi ka. Gwapo lagi ka. Gwapo po. Gwapo.
Oh, thank you po.
Winner. Thank you so much.
It's so talented day.
You're
so talented.
Thank you.
It's such an honor to see you performing. You have no idea.
Thank you. Thank you.
Really touched my heart.
Oh, thank
Every time
Did you
you sing.
understand the songs I've been singing?
What?
Did you understand the songs that I've been singing?
No, just the
No.
English one.
It's okay.
Wala yung shout out. Not a shout out.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Nilaban ko talaga.
Oh.
Hindi, pero thank you. Thank you so much in behalf of everyone. Thank you for reacting to my videos and performances. Thank you.
Yung
We'll
first
keep doing
video,
it, whether you like it or not.
the first video was Rise Up talaga. Oh my god. Yeah, like
Yeah, Miko told me.
yeah, we didn't know we didn't know anything about you. I'm sorry, but after the first Rise Up video, I'm like, oh my god, Filipino ako, di ba? But when I moved to Canada, I stopped watching Filipino artists because we have no TF.
Naku! Rinig natin lahat yun, guys. Sabihin niyo kay Yani mag
TFC, baka naman.
Ito oh.
TFC, baka naman.
Yeah.
So after your video Rise Up, I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm a fan.
Thank you. Taga Davao ka?
Dipolo.
Dipolo.
Mindanao.
Saya hindi kayo na.
Bisaya ko eh. Bisaya. Uy,
Next
sexy
year,
Tabi.
my next year I'll learn.
Yes, you have to like, yeah.
Yeah.
You have to at least understand. You don't have to speak it.
Sige na, ikapoy na siya.
Yeah, kapos na siya.
Yes, oil. Kachang lang kang oil galore.
Babe,
Miko, join ka!
Miko.
I love you so much. Thank you. Yan. Yay!
And Rise Up. Ay, joke.
Salamat.
I want you to hear my whistle tone.
Okay, I'm ready.
Sige.
Shall I be shocked? Okay, go.
I'm still working on it.
It's okay, don't worry. I see the progress. There's potential.
Galing English na.
Kalain na niya. English.
Uy, Bisaya kay siya.
Hindi na siya English ba? Ano eh?
Wala man ko niya.
Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for showing me around.
Of course.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Yani and Fabio.
See you next year in the Philippines. We'll be there.
You're visiting.
Hi guys, si
Hi.
Sir David.
Just David.
Just David.
Just David.
Hi.
Just David. Hi.
And he's amazing.
I believe you.
Oh my god, you guys. It was... What an experience. What an experience.
If you had told us that a year later our life's gonna be like this. Our life is gonna be like this. What is this?
What,
Like, are we
English?
famous now?
Oh my gosh.
Our lives are gonna be like this. Woo.
So first of all, we were talking to Miko recently before they came to Canada, and we were trying to arrange something to meet up.
Not even.
Just to
to
say
be friends,
just to
with
say
Miko.
hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's crazy how this turned out.
So when we get to the event, many people were taking pictures with us, and I'm just like, what? Are we famous?
It was so beautiful. Honestly, it was so beautiful to see the support of
Everyone.
But it was about the Filipino community. The event was nicely organized.
You guys, Fabio
It
was like more Filipino than Mix. He was
Honestly,
so excited.
I was very, very excited, guys.
Like before Morissette came on, they showed a trailer of the Kapamilya Summer Love video trailer.
I knew all of them.
Fabio was like, oh my god, I see Pia. Oh my god, I see Gumabaw. Oh my god, I see him.
Tony.
I see Moira.
Yeah,
I'm
everyone.
like-
And I was very excited.
And after that, there's a lot of MC and like introduction of Morissette. And before Morissette came out, Fabio was like nervous. He was like this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm like, Fabio, calm down.
It was so nice to see this nice group of people, all Filipino.
And the crazy thing is, everyone in Morissette's team, they all know us. I'm like, who?
They knew us. It's crazy to us
I know.
because we're just two guys doing YouTube and enjoying what we're doing.
Yeah.
We didn't know we could have such a big impact. Everything you see is very honest and very real. And seeing that all these people notice how true we are to what we feel and what we want to say, it's so beautiful.
The most important thing is Morissette told me that I'm handsome. That's it. Fabio, Morissette, if you can see, if you saw in the vlog, or I don't know if you saw it because I haven't edited this yet, but during the meet and greet, Morissette was just like holding my hand. She was like this, looking at me. Oh my god, you're so guapo.
And
I'm just like,
and she's so gorgeous, guys. You have no idea. But
kept on
beside the
looking at
fact that she's gorgeous, her live singing is
yo,
amazing.
it's actually real. No joke now.
I
okay?
know in video, like we see perfection and we see all the
Like,
beautiful
the
things,
thing is-
camera lights and all that.
The thing is, in YouTube video stage performances, sometimes you question it because, okay, it's perfect, it's good. Obviously,
because it's like TV or something. And you can sometimes question it, like, is she sometimes lip syncing because it's very perfect? She's hitting all the high notes, but like, yo, live
Oh my gosh.
is actually real.
Oh my gosh. Is she amazing?
Like,
she is.
She was hitting the high notes while shaking hands of people in the audience,
She was walking, jumping on the stairs.
jumping on the stairs.
She was doing
high heels.
She was doing Zumba class.
And then still hitting the high notes and then like laughing like, hi, how are you? And I'm like,
like,
Ma'am?
honestly,
Ma'am.
a control that I'm like, I don't
ma'am,
know.
are you human? Wow.
And beside that, honestly, what I loved the most was how the team is so connected and so
Yes.
beautiful. You see really their passion, and you see
Yes.
how they really want Morissette to shine,
Yes.
and they're there for her.
Yes.
Starting from Miko, which is the first one that we met.
Supportive.
David, the manager, is so amazing.
It's crazy. I'm still mesmerized. We had dinner after that, and that's all we could talk about. I'm like, we're all like, is this happening? Is this real life? I'm like, yo, like, she's actually very good. She's amazing, and we're still like,
And she's so
in shock.
sweet.
We're
You know
still in
how
shock.
you see her on stage playing, and she's like, she's super talented, obviously, but she also plays with the camera, with the fans, and all that. Like,
Yes.
when you meet her and you talk to her, she's exactly like that. She's like, she's funny, she's bubbly,
like that.
she's
Yeah.
awesome. You can tell she has a very kind heart.
Yeah. Anyway, we've been praising them for so long. Like, let's close the video by just saying, thank you to Morissette and Morissette's team, David,
Miko.
David is Morissette's manager. Miko, you all have been so sweet to us. Like,
Yeah,
it's
we
crazy.
can't believe it.
Just the fact that they all know us, and then I'm like, who? Us. We just want a selfie with Morissette. And Miko was like, okay, line up here. Let's get all the photos done out of the way so that you have time with Morissette longer, and you can vlog with Morissette. I'm like, wow,
gosh.
Miko, really? When you come back, Miko, I'll see you in Philippines, Miko. Anyway.
Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna meet them in April when we go back to the Philippines.
Watch my vlog with Miko. We spent the day together walking.
It
on
was
Toronto.
hilarious.
Anyway,
I'm
thank
so
you
bad I was
much.
working for that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all the fans that were there for us
Yes.
today, because it was so nice to meet
Who
you
took
guys.
selfies with us?
And now that we're home, we feel exhausted.
We're gonna sleep.
It's not true.
We have
We're
a little
gonna get
picture.
ready and go out.
I'm probably gonna edit this vlog right away because I'm so excited to upload it for you guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. It's such a long vlog now.
It's a long vlog, but it's fine.
Bye, guys.
See you soon.